22 ounces of cooked chicken, all in our 13 by 9. Now I have 8 ounces of diced ham. I'm gonna put that right with our chicken. And I actually have 2 packages of our ham because my family loves ham. But if you don't like ham as much as chicken, you can double up the chicken and leave the ham with 1 package. Now I'm coming in with my Dijon mustard. These flavors are gonna be so delicious together, and we're just gonna drizzle a decent amount of our Dijon mustard on top of that chicken and that ham. This is a super easy, just a few ingredients, 1 pan dinner. This is great for weekdays, great for weekends when you're busy. It's great all year round. So we used about half of this mustard. We're just gonna give this a quick season with some salt and pepper. We don't need too much salt because that ham does have a good amount of sodium, but I am gonna be very generous with our pepper because I really think that that's gonna bring some nice, delicious flavor. But you can season this however you like. You could do some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika, but we're keeping it simple. Now, before we put our last ingredient, I'm gonna grab my spoon and we're gonna mix all of this together so that mustard coats our chicken, our ham, the seasoning gets evenly distributed. Oh my goodness, that mustard smells absolutely incredible. Now, I know mustard isn't everyone's favorite, so you could do a cream of chicken in place of the mustard to add some good moisture, but this is gonna be kind of a little bit different, but still super easy and tasty. So once we feel like all of our meat is covered, we can finish this off.
Oh, that smells so delicious with the Grey Poupon.
Oh yeah, best Dijon mustard you can get. Okay, so we're gonna just make sure that this is kind of flattened out so that our next ingredient can just sit on all of that meat just beautifully. Okay, and I think you guys probably could have guessed it, but we got some cheese. We have our Tillamook Swiss slices.
Yum.
All right, and we're just gonna place that right on top. You could do a shredded cheese, but I really wanted Swiss, and you don't really see Swiss cheese shredded nowadays, huh?
Yeah, not really, because you need to have the holes.
Yeah, okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of break these extra slices up and put it in the middle so that this whole entire pan is covered in Swiss cheese. I am ready to eat. All right, my oven is set to 400 and this is gonna be in there for about 30 minutes. All right, our chicken cordon bleu casserole is ready. Yeah, you heard that right. Oh my goodness, it's time to dig in. So I was in there at 400 for 30 minutes.
Oh, you can hear it.
It is cooked to perfection. Ho ho! Yummy. I'm just gonna start with this, but I'll definitely be going in for seconds. It smells incredible.
Good?
Oh my goodness. Wow. Those flavors are incredible. You guys are gonna love this.